Fun facts: Glaciers of Greenland. Greenland glaciers are over 1 million years old. But today, thanks to climate change and human activity, this giant sheet of ice is quickly melting. Glaciers are made up of layers and layers of ice deposited over the years. Water on Earth evaporated, condensed, precipitated, and fell on Greenland in the form of snow. Glaciers trap greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and other particles in the air. As a result of climate change, these giant ice sheets are melting and releasing those trapped gases back into the atmosphere. This can cause even more warming. To learn about glaciers, scientists and Arctic explorers go to Greenland and collect samples from these ice sheets. Funding for these trips are difficult to secure, but oftentimes explorers will start training and preparing before the funds come in. When the money is approved, they'll need to be ready to leave. There are 2 ways Arctic explorers stay warm: wear the right clothes and eat enough food. Therefore, meal planning is an important part of the preparation. Butter is one of the highest calorie foods out there. Arctic explorers will often hydrate the food that they pack with slabs of butter. Greenland explorers must also prepare and learn as much about the terrain as they can before they start their trip. Since most of Greenland is covered in a giant sheet of ice, explorers must plan their kayak and dog sledding trips around the coastline. Knowing when sea ice melts and freezes helps explorers figure out how quickly they must travel from point A to point B. Move too slowly and you might get trapped in packed ice. There are different types of maps explorers can use. Some will show explorers how far they need to travel. Other maps, such as topography maps, display mountains and valleys. In the past, people settled in Greenland, but extreme climate drove many away. Today, the Inuits of Greenland are the hardy people that inhabit Greenland and are a part of Denmark. They are descendants of a group of people called the Thule and speak Greenlandic, an Inuit language. Arctic explorers benefit from help from current-day Inuit. Maybe someday you'll visit Greenland too.